Hello my dear followers, welcome back to my channel. In this short tutorial video I'm going to show you a very easy and fast way of bag decoration. For this method we will use a work yarn, you can use a contrast one, and a related number hook. As you see, I have already decorated my bag in this way, and the second row we will make together working in slip stitches. Let's start. Here I have a piece of a contrast yarn, and first of all I need to connect it to the lead. I start my work here, putting my crochet hook tip into the hole between rows, like this. Now I place a work yarn on the wrong side, okay, in such a way. Make a yarn over, like this, and pull it on the right one. Okay. So, there is the first stitch. We have to leave about 5-10 centimeters tail that will be hidden later, and to hold it with fingers, fixing it on the wrong side. As I said before, we have to work a row in slip stitches. Okay. There are 2 steps only that you have to remember and repeat for every next stitch. First step, put the hook tip into the next hole between rows. Here. Make a yarn over and pull it on the right side. Now we have 2 stitches on the hook. The second step is to pass the second stitch on the hook through the first one. Don't pull it too tight, otherwise stitches will be too little and the work will look not good. It will be very tight. Let's repeat those steps together one more time. So you just need to continue your work in this way, repeating those 2 steps to the row end. I believe that it's not difficult and you have already understood what you have done. That's why I leave you here for a while and see you later at the row end. Here I am. As you see, my row is almost finished and it's time to show you how to work the last stitch and to fix the work yarn. First of all, I finished the row with the last stitch, making it bigger than others. I cut the work yarn, leaving a tail about 10 centimeters long. Using a hook, I pass it on the wrong side, pulling it out. Okay, in such a way. Okay, now you just need to fix yarn ends on the wrong side and to hide them between stitches. As you see, I already made it for the previous row. Due to the double lead, you have not to worry about those ends. They will be hidden between both sides and will not be visible. I thank you for your attention and I call you to like and share this video because it helps the channel grow. Have a good crocheting and see you next time. Bye bye bye.